home is probably one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. You need to protect your investment from the top down with a solid roof. When your family is home, nothing is more important than for them to be safe and secure. If you're watching this, chances are you need a new roof. We use metal roofing supplied from Tri-County Metals. Tri-County Metals has over 100 employees, staffing 6 locations statewide. Their dedicated staff and fleet of delivery trucks are committed to offering both the contractor and the homeowner superior service. They manufacture the roof you want, the last roof you'll ever need, a new metal roof from Tri-County Metals. Ask about our TCM Homeowners Edge financing program through Interbank USA. Low monthly payment options may be available. When it comes to your roofing project, there are 3 choices you have. 1. Do nothing. Do nothing could contribute to additional, very costly repairs. 2. Choose shingles. Shingles have a much shorter lifespan than metal roofing, and in fact, you could go through 2 or 3 shingle roofs during the same duration of one metal roof. 3. Get the roof you want, a new metal roof, a lifetime roof, the last roof you'll ever need. But before you select which choice is best for you, you also need to consider who you will trust to work on your home. Let's start with the selection of a roofing contractor. Did you know that 96% of all contractors fail in their first 5 years of business? Did you know that 1/3 of all money spent on home improvements is to redo previous work? When selecting a dependable contractor, find out answers to these questions. Are they licensed? Are they manufacturer trained and certified? Do they provide warranty protection for both materials and labor? Do they carry over $1 million in liability insurance? The outcome of your project will depend on the people you fire and the materials you select. Welcome to Nations Roofing. We are a Florida state-licensed metal roofing contractor. We hold certificates verifying we are factory trained from Tri-County Metals, our roofing metal manufacturer, and the TCM Contractors Edge training program, and are a part of the TCM Homeowners Edge project financing program for homeowners. We offer a variety of warranties on materials and labor, depending on which selection is the best fit for your project, and we are fully insured. So what is your choice? Should you choose to do nothing? How will that protect your family and your home? Should you choose a shingle roof with a standard lifespan of only 12 to 20 years? Why put yourself in a position to have to do it all over again? Why not put on your roof the last roof you'll ever need? Why not put on a metal roof? A metal roof will be the last roof you'll ever need. Metal roofing is the best choice. Did you know the popularity of metal roofing has increased by 370% over the last 10 years? And the reasons why are not surprising. Homeowners seek permanency, uniqueness with curb appeal, and great value when choosing a metal roof. A metal roof is also a cool roof. Through testing at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, it has been proven that an asphalt shingle roof traps heat in your attic, but an Energy Star rated roof reflects heat, while the pigments in the color finish re-emit heat, giving you a cooler attic. In fact, the Metal Roofing Alliance has a study that showed that a metal roof can save up to 40% of the energy cost to cool your home as compared to shingles. Tri-County Metals offers the Duke the Defender series paint systems with their metal roofing panels. All of our colors are Energy Star Cool Roof colors to provide superior fade and chalk resistance. You may be asking, but what does cool roof color really mean to my wallet? Let's talk about cool roof math. The average Floridian home electric bill used to cool their home is $140 per month. Using a cool roof can save 30% on average in cooling energy savings, which in the case of the average cooling cost is a savings of $42 each month. When you consider this savings over time, you will save over $7,500 in 15 years and more than $15,000 over the course of 30 years. A cool roof will pay for itself over time. A solid metal roofing system doesn't end with the cool roof colors. We will design for you a total metal roofing system using all of the accessories needed to give you the very best metal roof for your home, the roof you want. Also, using the proper accessories for your project could qualify you for our extended warranty. Ask your salesperson about our extended warranty we call the Defender 45. But how much will it cost? The good news is we offer a variety of payment options. Through our TCM Homeowners Edge financing program backed by Interbank USA, We offer financing programs to help you focus on an affordable, low monthly payment for your new metal roofing project. Apply today. Let's focus on the monthly payment and get you the roof you want. A lifetime roof and the last roof you'll ever need. Now it's time to pick your color, pick your panel, and choose the accessories so we can begin your project. Thank you for your time in watching our presentation.